Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this invisible square. There was a video I followed along and she used two different circles, a darker color and a lighter color. And I thought, perfect, right? To two-tone cardstock. So I punched a circle of the two circles of the two-tone cardstock. This is the front side, or darker side, I'll say, and this is the lighter side. You may not be able to see it like on camera, I understand, but if I just pose, if I put that, do you see that difference? That's the lighter side. Then you're going to take an extra one of these and you're going to fold it in half. This is your template because you're only going to put, depending on the circle and the position of the circle, either a half of a circle or a quarter of a circle. And the colors that I just happen to have in the two-tone, I don't have all the colors, is Petal Pink, Real Red, Poppy Parade, Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Pool Party, what is this one? Blueberry Bushel, and Coastal Cabana. So go ahead and fold this one in half. And then you want, and you can do that with each square, but I just thought it'd be easier if I just made a template. So that's for the half circle. And then I'm going to fold this one in half for the quarter of the circle. Burnish it really well. There you go. Okay. So you need those templates because depending on where the position is, if it's these four, you're going to need a half circle. If it's the corners, you're just going to need a quarter. So does that make sense? So, magic of television. We're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to put it on there. And then, as a bonus, I made a little frame. It's a little, these are 1-inch circles. So these are, this is 3 by 3. The opening of it is 3 by 3. So, give me a second to first put the dark colors on. Is that centered? Okay. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I just, when I originally did it, I had my ruler on the top of the circle, on the edges of the circle as I was doing it, but I thought maybe this might be a little better. Because at least the edges, that's the key, is the edges are going to be in line. Because that's super important. And then there's only 8 colors, so you decide what colors, what rainbow colors, or it doesn't even have to be rainbow. What colors would you put on this 8 colors? Again, I was just using these because those are the colors I had. That's pretty good. It did work a little better. I'm just going to scoot that over just a little bit. Okay, so there. Then, remember the half circles, oops, the half circles are here. And I love just the optical illusion of it, don't you? I'm going to use my, and you'll see the magic happen. Once all the colors are, it doesn't make any sense until you have it all down. But real world, I'll probably put more glue on, but I just want to show you the technique. It's showing right now. So a little glue here for the corner. Garden green. This This one might be a little off. I'll have to trim that one a little bit. Oops. Ta-da! Maybe just a little on this one. More glue. Ah, so much better. I'll show you the iterations of mine. Aha! So does that look like a little floating square? And I'll show you. I think this is the first one. See, it's kind of looks a little wonky. Then I lined it up with the ruler here, and then with the template here. What do you think? Yeah? And then maybe a sentiment here or a sentiment above and below. But I just love the technique. So, floating square. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like, comment, and share the video if you think somebody would be interested in this technique. And then please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See many, many more video tutorials. I think I'm up to a little over 200, and I'm still making them. So thanks, and have a great day. Bye.